Hello everyone, myself Divya Korani and I am here to represent our team Sarthi. So let me start with the real problem. We are in our final year and placement season is here. Every day our inboxes are flooded with the emails from different companies. Sounds exciting, right? But to be honest, it's super confusing too, as we are not sure how to prepare for it and which opportunity to actually go for. Now, our seniors who have been passed through all of this could really help us out, but reaching them is a bit awkward as we barely know any of them. So, out of various problem statements listed in the SIH, we felt most connected to this one, implementation of Alumni Association platform for different universities and institutes. Our portal is named Sarthi. Sarthi means carryoter, the one who guides the carryoter. And similarly, the alumni will guide the student. Now, it sounds good, right? But let's see how it works. So we have prepared a prototype. So this is the login screen and we have various roles like alumni, institute, employer, student, faculty or admin. Now let's This is a basic alumni dashboard where you can see the basic profile overview of its profile and some key charts like its network growth, skills overview, and some quick actions to manage the things efficiently. This is a space where alumni can chat with the various connections, the jobs where he can post a job and have the look on some market trends, events where he can create events and reunions for the students and manage all the things efficiently through this calendar, campaigns which are ongoing or proposed by the alumni and that can create the campaign and have a basic chart donation overview, the projects done by him, referrals. These are those applications who have asked for the alumni referral for the jobs posted by him, and some basic news section. Now moving on to the alumni directory, this section is accessible to all the users where they can search the and connect to various alumni, and we have integrated some advanced searching and filter options like you can search the alumni on based of their graduation year, some major domains, industries and skills. uh, and here comes our key feature, that is AI profile matching, which shows the score of the profile match between the current user and the alumni based on various fields like skills, institute, interest, goal, and many more. Now, for example, if the current user has goal to work at a Google and the alumni is already working there, so the chances of their job profile match is bit high. Now, clicking on the clicking on the click on connect. So this is a detailed profile of the alumni. Here also comes our AI module, which sums up the alumni profile and provides some key insights. And this is the percentage matching score down, like similarities between the current user and alumni. Now, moving on to the job board, alumni or the institute can post a job for the students and they can apply for it too. So here also we have advanced search and filter options. We have integrated AI job profile matching here, which finds out the score of profile match between the current user and the job profile based on the skills and locations and its preferences. Student can apply to the job and ask for the referrals of the alumni. Like I apply for this job, I can ask for the referral. I can request for the referral. So here comes our events and reunion sections where alumni or institute can create events and reunions and students can register for the same. And we have implemented a basic like name, email, or we can implement a barcode too. It also consists of some advanced search and filters for the students. Now moving on to the campaigns, we have used the blockchain technology for the smart contract of the donation, which makes it transparent and secure. Here also we have same search and filter functionality. The alumni or institute can create the new campaigns and the students can donate to them. Now moving on to the CRT space, this is the space where the teams can collaboratively work on a particular project and it consists of various features. Like first is the dashboard, total projects listed, total tasks listed, completed tasks, and the overall projects. Some key insights like project progress or task distribution, like how much is to pending, how much is to do, and how much in progress, and all these things. Some recent activities. Moving on to the project, this is the project where the team is working on, and you can see the details here, like what is in the to do, this is in the progress, and you can state the change the status of the same, some milestones achieved, and recent issues. Okay, next moving on to the team chat, where a team can effectively communicate on the project. Now moving on to the resources, this is a common resource folder, like whatever the resources they have been working on, some research things, they can upload it here like this. So, and team can download it and view it. Now moving on to the calendar section, they can manage like the dates for events, deployments, and many more things, deadlines and all. Now moving on to the team, you can see the team profile and view their profiles, like to know that how much skilled they are and in which field they are skilled. So we can assign the task accordingly and add member here. Now there was a point of success story tracking, and so we have implemented Manzil. Manzil is somewhat like alumni institutes can post their successes here, like all posts we can see here. Here comes the achievements, some milestones, the product launches can be seen, articles and initiatives. We have created it in a bit detail, like we can see the upcoming events, some trending topics, and post a new too. Now log in as an institute, you can find the institute dashboard, where you can find some statistics like how many students are enrolled, how many alumni are enrolled, faculties, courses, some research centers. You can find some key charts like how much is alumni network growth, what is the graduate employee rate, and all things. Research fundings and top industries. There comes the alumni section, where the alumni are listed here with their current positions and the companies with their graduation years. We have some charts like alumni by graduation year, their alumni distribution, and some achievements by them. You can find same for the students, like how many students are enrolled for the particular program, what is their average GPA, some demographics and student satisfaction rate. Now coming on to the projects, what are the projects are ongoing, what is their funding, lead researches, all the things are mentioned here. Coming to the campaign, the institute can create the campaign and check that how many funds are raised and how many donation is achieved, and what are the sources of the donation, that too. Coming to the jobs, same, like institute can post a job for the students, and job posting by industries can be find out that what is the rate of job placement, what are the top recruiting companies, like Google is hiring 50 hires, Amazon is 45 hires, what is their salary range, location, everything in overview. Coming on to the key events, institute can create an event or a reunion for the students and manage all the things. So we also have an admin. Let me show you. We also have an admin login. So this is the admin dashboard, where we can see that the statistics, like how many total colleges are, how many total students are enrolled, total alumni, total faculties, some funding distribution, some donation things, what are the college rankings, and some recent activities. Moving on to the colleges, and see the list of the colleges. You can have a look at the college size distribution, what is the student faculty ratio. So coming to the analytics, the system analytics is there. We can comprehensively see all the colleges in the system, like GC Gandhinagar, GC Modasam, what are the number of student rate, how they are increasing, the alumni growth rate, some key performance indicators like average graduation rate is 87.5% Obviously, this is an alumni network which shows various charts of alumni, like how many alumni are distributed to which industries, what are the engagement rates, and all the social around that. This comes as a funding overview, what are the projects and funding from those engagements and all the things are included. And the reports where admin can generate a report of the various things like it was given and report, some description, similarly. It can generate the report for financial and